Modern farm equipment is a total game changer, doing stuff that farmers years ago couldn't even dream of. From planting seeds to harvesting crops, and even turning over the soil, these machines are seriously impressive. So, grab a seat and check out this video to see what these beasts can really do. This awesome gadget can clear out a whole field of cabbages in just an hour. When you need to chop down trees in the city, you've got to be precise. That's where the Lumberjack LJ 450 really shines. Ever thought about how to quickly wash a huge pile of sugar beets? Well, the Holara BR 2000 cleaning machine can handle that in no time. If you're running a poultry farm, you should definitely think about getting a robot exo. It's great for disinfecting and analyzing the environment for your birds. Now you can stay put and still manage to clear that tangled cable. The Shumone is a green machine that kills weeds with hot foam, keeping your crops in tip-top shape without harming the environment. The driver's dream of not having to actually turn to make a U-turn has come true. This beast of a John Deere can knock out wheat harvesting with an incredible output of 100 tons per hour. The rotary stick is the ideal tool for smoothing out and converting land. You'll be blown away by how massive this spraying machine is. It can cover up to 190 feet with its two arms, making it about 50 times more efficient than a person doing the job by hand. Check out this 3-in-1 machine that can till the soil, make furrows, and drill holes for planting seeds. It's a real multitasker. Sometimes they use this handy little machine to pick out the young leaves. This tea leaf harvester definitely operates at top-notch efficiency. This gadget lets farmers gather over 300 kilograms of almonds really quickly. It's like playing Tetris, but with dry grass. This tool ensures that seeds are spread out evenly. An optimized tunnel sprayer machine keeps strawberry plants safe from diseases and pests, making sure your strawberries turn out plump and juicy. Enjoy stocking up the warehouse without lifting a finger. It's fascinating to watch the process of cleaning, sorting, and packaging oranges before they're shipped out. To tackle the challenge of tree pruning, the farmer whipped up a super fast branch trimming machine. The elevator lifts rolls of grass, saving farmers a ton of time. The automatic system spreads out food portions evenly. Take a look at how this machine can fix up the field's irrigation system. The Arbus 4000 machine is built to spray insecticide quickly and efficiently. With a 255 centimeters rod, you can take down a large tree in just seconds. The robot automatically takes out weeds that mess with the crops. The Monchiero hazelnut collecting machine gets the job done efficiently. With the saw blades running non-stop, weeds are completely cleared out of the garden. The agricultural robot assistant picks grapes to help analyze how they're growing. The double spade machine works smoothly to get rid of dry tree roots. The egg testing line automatically weeds out the bad eggs. While you're hustling to meet that deadline, there's a robot out there doing an exceptional job at picking blueberries. The Popa Mouse 6 is leading the market, thanks to its system that extends up to 10.2 meters. It can quickly scoop up even a mountain of sugar beets. The Brielmeier monster effortlessly glides through and gathers weeds in swampy areas. The robot system efficiently handles the job of assessing fruit quality and ripeness. The electric weed killer is sure to be a hit with gardeners everywhere. This super strong Colossus machine picks up and packs cotton real nice and tidy pronto. Thanks to the machine's perfect shakes, every single apple gets picked from the tree. And here's how they get rid of pumpkins that don't make the perfect cut. Now you know who's behind those flawless rectangles. They bury fertilizer underground so crops can soak it up without any hassle. Regular land improvement is done to boost the soil's knack for holding onto water and nutrients. And now the chickens are getting their grub in true military fashion. The Class Jaguar 970 can tackle 10 rows of corn all at once. This innovation will save you from any hand pain while shelling peanuts. That sounds impressive. Herbex 9200 must be quite an efficient mobile system for lettuce harvesting. Harvesting 70 tons of lettuce per hour could significantly increase productivity and streamline the process compared to traditional methods. It could be a game changer for large-scale lettuce farming operations. These are the newest farming machines. If you want to see more, just drop a comment about agricultural equipment and we'll make sure to show you more. See you soon.